Yeah, so hi guys, I'm Aditya and currently I'm working as a software developer. So I hope you guys are doing well. So basically guys, today in this video I just want to share with you like a very good opportunity, and these all opportunities are coming from our MNC's company. The first opportunity is coming from Capgemini company. Literally, this is a very good company, guys. It's a completely MNC's company, and the second one is coming from our Wipro company. And now the Wipro again hiring for like a graduate trainee role. So both opportunities are like a very good options for if you are a freshers and if you want to start your career from in IT sector. Then literally this video is very useful for you guys. And there is one more interesting point, like I just show you. This is the job portal, guys. Here they are not mentioning related to say which year you are pass out. यहाँ पे उन्होंने मेंशन ही नहीं करा कि आपने कब आपका डिग्री कंप्लीट हुआ है. सो गाइज अगर आप 22, 23, 24, 25 वाट एवर अगर आप वो और जॉब फाइंड कर रहे हो तो इससे आप अप्लाई कर दो गाइज. बहुत ही बेटर अपॉर्चुनिटी है. So now I move forward in this video, guys. What is the qualifications and what is the eligibility criteria for this job role? So just to Capgemini off-campus type 26 is hiring for the role of associate in software engineers. It's like a Pune location, and a candidate holding with like BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA or equivalent degree from our guys are eligible. It means like bachelor's degree like BCA, BBA, BCom, BSc. These guys are not eligible to fill this form. When I talk about the company name just you see here, guys, like Capgemini. Job role is like associate software engineer. Qualification is like BE, BTech, ME, MTech and MCA. Both guys all guys are eligible. It means it's like completely a master degree approx. When I talk about the experience, no guys, this is a completely a freshers job opportunity, guys. Like अगर आपके पास experience हो तो आप इसे apply मत करना, कोई आपको फ़ायदा ना होगा. So now I move forward like pass out year. हाँ, this is the more interesting point, guys. Like the official job page does not have any specific pass out year. It means वहाँ पर उन्होंने mention ही नहीं करा. Freshers can apply, yes guys. Experienced candidate can also apply with they meet the requirements. There is no restriction mentioned like such as 24, 25 and 26. At least MNCs तो 2 साल का आपको वो देता ही है, तो आप 24 तक हो तो आप अप्लाई कर सकते हो. So now I move forward in this video. What is the skills required and also like in the programming language Java, C++, Python, C#, JavaScript basics. Like अगर आपके पास ये basics knowledge है तो लिटरली आपके लिए बहुत अच्छा है. और लिटरली ये सारे तो बेसिक्स नॉलेज आपके पास होनी चाहिए अगर आप आईटी में स्टार्ट कर रहे हो अपना करियर. एंड द नेक्स्ट वन इज लाइक डाटा स्ट्रक्चर एंड एल्गोरिथम एंड ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज ओप्स कंसेप्ट SQL डेटाबेस. SQL इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, गाइज. एंड सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपमेंट like life cycle, STL, problem solving and teamwork and communication is also like a very important in IT sector, guys. Without communication you are not able to do anything in the IT sector. Communication is a must, very important. So now I move forward. Like this is our job portal, guys. So I already show you. So just you come here and apply this form, guys. So now I move forward in this video, guys. And here I just want to add one more point. Like if you come here for the first time on these channels, then please help me, guys. Here I make only job hunting and career guidance related videos. So like if you have any doubt related to your career, just drop me a comment, guys. Definitely I will help you guys. एंड आई एक्सेप्ट रिप्लाई करने में थोड़ा टाइम लग जाता है, गाइज, क्योंकि राइट नाउ करंटली आई एम वर्किंग. सो गाइज टाइम लग जाता है रिप्लाई करने पे, लेकिन आप ड्रॉप करो, गाइज. मैं आपको हेल्प करूँगा, गाइज. So now I move forward in this video for the second opportunity. So I just want to add one more point. Obviously बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स के दिमाग में क्वेश्चंस भी आएंगे. Is Capgemini hiring for through the off-campus drive? Yes, Capgemini has announced off-campus hiring for 26 freshers for the associate job software engineers role. What qualification is required for the associate software engineers? Candidate with the bachelor's degree in engineering or related discipline are eligible to apply. And is a prior work experience required for Capgemini role? No, guys. Experience, guys, eligible नहीं हो, so आप इसे अप्लाई मत करना अगर आपके पास एक्सपीरियंस है तो. So what is the selection process and all? The selection process is generally included all the online assessment, technical interview and HR round interview, guys. so you apply this form. So now we move forward in this video. Like the second opportunity is coming from our Wipro guys. We already know Wipro is like very big company. So in the Wipro now they are hiring like associate roles, like day before yesterday I already make this video guys. So this is also opportunity guys. So if you want, it's like a non-technical jobs, like if you don't have like a coding skills, then you guys apply this form guys. This is also very good opportunity. But now they again hiring like just you see here graduate trainee role. So literally this is a very good option, and location is like Noida side, Noida and all. So this is like Uttar Pradesh. So you guys apply this form like, and this is also a very good opportunity guys. So for the today guys this is enough for me. like मिलेंगे एक नए वीडियो में गाइज, नए जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ के साथ. मैं हमेशा ट्राई करता हूँ कि आप लोग को हेल्प करूँ. सो गाइज मिलेंगे एक नए वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए थैंक यू.